thanks to M-Pesa, you can now easily receive any money that you earn online, either directly into your M-Pesa account, or if you get paid through PayPal, for instance, you can transfer the money from your PayPal directly into your M-Pesa account. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're watching. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 different online jobs that you can do in Kenya and get paid through M-Pesa. If you're new to the Mtali channel, on this channel I share videos about making money online in Kenya and the rest of the world, remote working and work from home jobs. The number one online job in Kenya that pays you through M-Pesa is writing work. So the number one online job in Kenya that pays you through M-Pesa is writing work. And writing here, we are talking about web content, we are talking about content writing, we are talking about blog writing, like any kind of writing, technical writing, any kind of writing, and then you get paid through M-Pesa. And where do you get the online jobs like online writing work? Basically, you can go to freelancing websites such as upwork.com, you can go to fiverr.com, and also you can decide to just pitch potential clients directly. So basically what you need to do is to go to a website like linkedin.com and check out people who might be interested in your work. You could also create a writing website, like a website where you showcase your sample writing jobs and then use that as a portfolio to pitch to potential clients. If you use a platform like Upwork, for instance, you will be paid and then you simply transfer the money from your Upwork account directly into M-Pesa. If let's say you work on fiverr.com, they will pay you by PayPal, and what you will need to do is transfer the money from your PayPal account directly into your M-Pesa. And if you're wondering how you transfer money from PayPal into M-Pesa, please check in the description box below. I share with you how the step-by-step process of how you can transfer money from PayPal into M-Pesa. So the number two online job in Kenya that pays through M-Pesa is research work. So this is basically whereby a research house would hire you to do some research work for them, and then they pay you through M-Pesa. So where do you get research work online? Again, you can use the various freelancing platforms, or if you like, you can do a simple Google search, research work near me. Or if let's say you're based in Nairobi, you can say research work in Nairobi or research work in Kisumu. Again, just go to link. You can also go to linkedin.com/jobs and just type in research work, and you can sort by location, or if you just like, you can write anywhere. The number three online job in Kenya that pays through M-Pesa is selling digital products. So digital products will come in different shapes and sizes and forms, but it's basically any form of work that can be downloaded or consumed online. So here we are talking about electronic books, we are talking about Excel files, we are talking about any tools that make people's work easier or more efficient. And again, let's say for example, if you decide to go the ebook route, for instance, you don't get hung up on, when you become a perfect writer, that's when you start writing your ebook. Is there any challenge that you have successfully overcome? Is there any obstacle that you have successfully overcome? Is there any achievement that you found a hack to go through it? You can be sure if you went through it, there's like 1,000 or more other people who are going through the same thing that you went through, or the same obstacle or challenge, or might in the future go through that challenge or obstacle, or might want a similar achievement. And you can simply write a short ebook and share your expertise with them. And with the different platforms whereby you can self-publish, you can go to amazon.com, you can go to lulu.com. The options are really endless. You can also consider other soft skills that you might have learned. For instance, did you go through the process of starting a successful Airbnb business in Kenya, for instance? Have you successfully sold products online? These are things that you can share with other people, either through an online course, or you can share through an ebook, or you can, like, there's different formats which you can sell your digital content and get paid through M-Pesa. You can even start like selling them through Facebook, for instance, and get paid through M-Pesa. And all you will need to do is to start getting paid for your selling your digital content online is, once you have created your content and posted it online, you need to do a little marketing here and there. And I would suggest that you start with free platforms such as Facebook. You can post it on your Instagram account, you can post it on your WhatsApp channel. Like, just start with the free social media channels and let people be aware that, hey, I am selling this digital content, whether it's a course, whether it's an ebook, whatever it is, and I'm accepting payment through M-Pesa. The number 4 online job in Kenya that pays through M-Pesa is by selling advertising space on your website or on your blog. And while it might seem like a daunting task to start a web or a blog in Kenya, believe you me, it's not. Similarly to creating digital content, you simply ask yourself, what is that one topic or that one issue that you could talk about for eternity? What is that one topic or one issue that everyone keeps referring other people to you? What is that question, or what kind of questions are those that people keep asking you all the time? You can condense these questions or these topics that you're already familiar about into a blog or into a website. And as you start getting foot traffic into your website, you could sell advertising space, and this you can accept payment using M-Pesa. So for example, ifamtali.com is my blog and it's my website. It has travel content, it has making money online content, and it has a few lifestyle content on it. And once in a while, different brands will approach me to sell advertising space on my website. So for the Kenyan brands, I would simply ask for payment by M-Pesa or sometimes a local bank transfer, and that's something that you can do as well. With cheap, affordable web hosting sites such as bluehost.com, it is not difficult to start a blog or a website in Kenya. And again, I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom in the description box below on a step-by-step process of how you can start your blog today, even in Kenya, and have it up and running in less than 10 minutes. The number 5 online job in Kenya that pays through M-Pesa is doing manual work. And so this especially applies if sitting in front of a computer screen is not your kind of thing, but you want to make money online in Kenya. You can find online jobs that pay you through M-Pesa, but they are done manually. The World Wide Web is full of options to make money online in Kenya, and some of those jobs will require you to do them manually. So when you go to a website such as Link, again, I'm going to leave the links at the bottom. Link, LYNK, there's Upwork.com, there's Fiverr, there's TaskRabbit, there's Reddit. Such kind of websites usually list manual jobs that you can do. So just go to this website that I've mentioned. So for example, if you go to Upwork.com, you could find someone who wants people to take pictures of certain places for them in exchange for money. The number 6 online job that pays through M-Pesa is online marketing. And this could include a whole range of tasks such as Facebook marketing. We're talking about Instagram marketing, managing social media accounts, planning social media strategies, executing digital online campaigns, etc. So if you have a decent social media skills, or you have social media fans or followers, you could actually make money and get paid by M-Pesa through by promoting other people's work or helping them with their online marketing efforts. Okay, The number 7 online job in Kenya that pays through M-Pesa is web design. So with new websites popping up day and night, you can use your web design skills to make money online in Kenya and get paid through M-Pesa. So a simple website showcasing your portfolio is a great first step to put yourself out there and let people know the caliber of work or the type of work that you're able to do for them. And once you have already designed the websites for them, you can get paid by M-Pesa. And you can decide to pitch directly to potential clients. Just find businesses in your area or in your locality or in your city that are thriving but do not currently have an online presence, and volunteer to work with them in coming up with a website design strategy, and then eventually they could hire you to help them with developing their website. Alternatively, you can go to different freelancing websites such as Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, People Per Hour, and look for web design jobs from people who already are looking for people to design their websites. The number 8 online job in Kenya that pays through M-Pesa is online tutoring. So this is basically whereby you tutor and get paid, and you can tutor anything, any subject. It can be a language tutor, you can be a math tutor, you can be a computer science tutor. And especially right now when most people are not able to attend their classes physically, there's a lot of need for online tutors. And as a tutor, you'll basically be exchanging your expertise on a given subject for money. And although most of the tutoring online jobs that hire Kenyans pay by PayPal, it's not a deal breaker, because once you make you do your tutoring job and you complete it successfully and you get paid by PayPal, for instance, you will simply need to transfer the money from your PayPal account into your M-Pesa. And again, I've mentioned in the description box below, I will share a link that explains to you a step-by-step process of how to withdraw your money from PayPal and deposit it into M-Pesa. The number 9 online job in Kenya that pays through M-Pesa is posting videos on YouTube, right? So as long as you can make entertaining videos or educative videos and post them on YouTube, there's a possibility to make some money online and in Kenya and get paid through M-Pesa. So like blogging, you will start earning your money once you start getting decent traffic on your website and people start viewing your videos on YouTube. And how do you make money with posting? How do you make money by posting videos on YouTube? There's different ways that you can make money by posting videos on YouTube. So for example, you can post affiliate links into the description box of your videos. So basically how affiliate marketing works is whereby owners of different products or services will give you their affiliate links, which you post on the description box of your YouTube videos. And once people click on these affiliate links and make a purchase, then the owner of that product or service will pay you a commission at no extra cost to your buyer or to your audience. Once you start getting a decent amount of traffic to your videos, when people start watching your videos, you can let them know that, hey, check the affiliate link. I have put a link at the bottom of my videos at the description box. Hey, please click on it. I'll get a small cut, but at no extra cost to you. And once the product sellers pay you your commissions, you can either, so let's say they can pay you directly via M-Pesa. Alternatively, they could pay you via PayPal and then you directly transfer it into M-Pesa in minutes. The number 10 online jobs that pay you through M-Pesa is promoting other people's products and services on your social media accounts. So this is almost similar to affiliate marketing. The only difference is that so how this works is whereby once you start having a decent following on your social media accounts, that could be your Twitter account, it could be your Instagram account, it could be your YouTube account, it could be your Facebook account, it doesn't matter. Once you start having a decent amount of subscribers and a fan base, different brands may approach you to post either product reviews, or you can do product mentions of their product or service and on your social media accounts, and as a way of advertising them to your growing or to your existing audience. And this, once you have done so, they can pay you money through M-Pesa. If you have a very active Facebook profile or an Instagram account or Facebook group with lots of followers, you can promote other people's products and services to your followers in return for payment via M-Pesa. The number 11 online job that pays you through M-Pesa is buying and selling domain names. So how do you make money by buying and selling domain names? So basically what you will need to do is to find attractive domain names, register them, and then later sell them you later sell them for a premium and get paid through M-Pesa. And there are very many ways of buying and selling domain names in Kenya. You can either list them on domain selling websites such as eBay or afternic.com or flipper.com or sailor.com, or simply plaster this domain is for sale banner on that particular domain. With the latter method, once you find a buyer, you simply ask them to pay you by M-Pesa. And by highlighting the current and potential value of your domain, for example, what is the website traffic, how much are you currently making on that website online, you increase your chances of finding a lucrative offer. The number 12 online job that pays by M-Pesa is drop shipping. So basically, drop shipping is whereby you list other people's products and advertise and market them on their behalf. And once you make a sale, you directly ask the owner of that product or service to ship it to your buyer. And you can find products on different websites such as AliExpress. You can find products on Etsy.com. You can find products on OLX. You can find products on Jumia.com, on different websites. And then you can list them either on your Facebook account, on your Instagram account, or you can even start your own drop shipping website. And the beauty with drop shipping is that you don't need to own any of the products that you are selling, and they'll be stored by somebody else. And when a customer makes an order, you place an order with the facility or the owner of that product, and then they are responsible for shipping that product to your customer. Okay, and in that case, the customer will then pay you through M-Pesa. Well, that's it in terms of online jobs that in Kenya that can pay you through M-Pesa. Let me know what you think about this video. Which of these online jobs in Kenya that pay through M-Pesa are you willing to try? Which ones have you tried? How has your experience been? Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this video. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't registered to the Mpesa YouTube channel, please remember to do so by hitting the subscribe button below. And once you have done so, please hit the notification bell so that every time I shoot a new video, you will be the first person to know. Thank you for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye bye and thank you.